We actuate these 5 million times to ensure the grip and force and accuracy last.
So Hamish, you're going to tell us more about the grippers.
Absolutely. So these are our new range of grippers from Kitagawa. Now these have undergone years of destructive testing to ensure the accuracy and the grip and force will last a long period of time.
Isn't it something like over 5 million or something?
It is, yeah, no, it is 5 million times. We actuate these 5 million times to ensure the grip and force and accuracy last.
Why is that important?
I mean, longevity, isn't it? So you're buying a high-end product and you want the accuracy to last a long period of time.
Absolutely. Right, okay, tell me a little bit more about the technology behind this.
So they're manufactured out of steel and aluminium to keep it as lightweight as possible. So this essentially means you can install a much larger workpiece or indeed have a smaller robot cell, which saves you a lot of money.
And what's the technology in here? What's behind this?
So it's got a wedge plunger design. So we've used 100 years of chucking technology and applied it to our robot grippers to give high clamping forces, high accuracy, and it's really good.
Yeah. Okay. Right. Let's move on. No, it's amazing. I love it. I really love it. Hearing about it. Right. Tell me about the range.
Show you the range. So we have 2 jaws and 3 jaws available. We also have quick change styles available. So you have a 2 jaw currently installed. You can undo the collar and install a 3 jaw. So you can change your workpiece in no time at all.
Oh my gosh, all of these changeovers, they're so simple, aren't they? They're quick and easy.
So moving on to this version over here. Now this is called the MTDCNC range with built-in linear scale. So the idea of this is you load your workpiece into the machine with this robot gripper. You do your machining cycle and then it will remove the workpiece and load it onto a measuring bay. So this will measure your workpiece on the ID or the OD on up to 4 locations to ensure it's within tolerance. It will use a master workpiece to take the original measurement.
Of course, yes.
And then ensure that all subsequent workpieces are within tolerance.
So it's kind of compensating back to the machine.
Exactly,
as well.
yeah. So from this you'll get data that will you can analyze your batch production. So say you've got a batch of 100 and 30 workpieces are out of tolerance, you can then adjust your machining settings to try and cut down on workpiece waste.
Amazing. Work holding, work handling, full automated solutions from Kitagawa. It's incredible.